I'm standing on 1648. I got a clue. People told me that all the city bike signs and the taxi signs and all the signs have something to do with Parcare. Now, Yidi didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me something's coming. He didn't tell me, but let's check it out if Yidi's here. Lamazain. No way! Yidi, this is du wie ein Boss. Such's mich gut nicht. The taxi's here. The buildings are here. Wall Street is here. You're behind this whole thing?
Absolutely. I'm shocked.
I'm gonna. First of all, take the mic. Let us hear what's going on. Somebody gave me a couple of leads that Yidi is behind this whole thing. And I said it can't be Yidi behind it. Well, ich bin doch Yidi's Mensch. I do all his marketing, you know. We did a couple of videos here already, the women's health and the regular health. And I say, if Yidi's doing something, he's calling me up. But the guy said, go just walk in, check out the lobbies up decorated with the taxis, and the building, the taxis, Wall Street, the city back in Achashdu. I guess Hill from Shem Shabbos is driving it. But Yidi, what's going on?
Chaim, Chazai Shain gewusst, we all know Chaim became very famous in marketing. However, Chaim, I didn't know you went to an investigation department.
You didn't know everything about me.
Okay.
Well, it's not an investigation. Who's doing your marketing?
So, Phoenix is doing a great job.
Is it Phoenix?
Phoenix's idea.
Come over to Phoenix because they got the whole borough park into a real mystery. It was very intense what's going on over here. But at least now we figured it out. The Olim came in with details. I got messages from a bunch of people. Check out Parcare. In Duzemir. So what's coming?
So what's coming is for everybody to be aware of, first of all, to tell you what the concept is. The concept is that people were always schlepping down to Manhattan, to the city, to doctors. What we tried doing is, our mission was, we took doctors that worked for years in Manhattan in the city, people that schlepped the entire day to go see those doctors. We brought them into Borough Park so people do not have to work.
Skip the train, especially now the train is unfortunately dangerous to go on. I mean, it's always dangerous, but now it's even more dangerous. He's saying skip it all. Right here, 1648, we have the doctors of Manhattan here in Parcare.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
So Chaim, once you busted me already, you figured out who this is. So I do want to update everybody about this. This Sunday Chanukah, Chadurim I think are giving off, and the schools, I think a lot of kids will be very excited to be joining Parcare Manhattan Day. Parcare Manhattan Day, whoever's missing the yellow cabs can come see them over here.
What's nice, guys? You're going to have real yellow cabs?
We'll have the real yellow cabs over here.
Listen, nice. Get into the taxis, drive around the block.
Get into
If you're missing that vibe, you're going to have trains here as well?
Not yet, maybe. We'll see.
Maybe you have those little choo-choo trains that go around the block.
We'll have face painting over here. We'll have popcorn. We'll have balloons. We'll have music over here.
So nice.
To bring the Manhattan Day for Borough Park, for people to see the center.
Off, the schools are off. Beautiful. Nice carnival.
Absolutely.
You got some games here, carnival booths.
And it happens to be, everybody can come here. There's a special game, a Parcare game that is for everybody to play at the Chanukah party.
Jeez.
You can pick up one per family, can pick up a game here. It is a terrific, magnificent game for people. It's an educational game, and I think it's something that everybody wants to
play. Real hard game?
A real hard game for everybody to come here and pick up.
When can we pick it up?
Sunday at the Manhattan Day. Everybody can come to the center and pick up the
All right, one per family, two per family.
One per family.
Beautiful.
And this is all a hachuna for everybody to be aware of.
What Parcare does.
What Parcare does and what else is coming.
All right, the next time you do, keep me in the loop. Do me a favor.
No problem.
You take Phoenix, but make sure Phoenix calls me up.
Okay, no problem.
Shkoyach, Yidi. Wow,
can't hide from Chaim.
Listen, someday I'm being here.
Okay.
Hook up my crook.
Looking forward.
Take care, Yidi. Shkoyach.